Oh, sorry if the camera is wobbly there. But okay, so if you, I know this is weird. So if you like weird intro. So if you want to join my group, I'm so sorry. Okay, so if you want to join my group, it's named Hat's Life Group. Just go on my profile, and you'll definitely see it straight away. And guess what? So I've made like a creepypasta. I've tried to do one. It's called Sweet Tooth. Yes, very bad name for it. It just sounds weird. So yes. What are like just random bombs that are just not exploding? What are these bombs? Okay. So hold on. Yeah. Wait. Okay, so just join my group. It's and I made a creepypasta. It's called Sweet Tooth. You can spread the character all about like to your friends, because I want like this character to like be known like a lot. I want my group to be like known a lot and have way more members, because I'm only like 38 or 37 members I'm at. So yeah. And if you can, I would really like that. So yeah, if you would, I would really like that. Sorry about the glitch like thing. It was just nothing. It was just like thought it would happen, but no, it didn't. So if you could join my group and spread all like the creepypasta about your family. My group is about like the creepypasta, like the fans. So yeah, if you would want to join my group, I would be really like that. So yeah, so if you would, please do that. So that is end. So goodbye. Please join my